Welcome back to another video. This is F.O.M. and we back. Let me go ahead and straighten my camera up a little bit. But yeah, this is what we doing. We talking about images. A lot of people ask about the vibrancy, ask how to make your images so soft to touch, why mine's coming out all soft, sounding like and feeling like cardboard. And I noticed that your images that you have, we ordered transfers, they feel totally different from ours, they look totally different from ours. What is the secret and what is the sauce? It really is up to the type of printer that you're using, the color profile that you are selecting, and the software that you're using. So it's a lot of different variables of what makes my image when I print them out come out different from way your images when you print them out, and so forth. Let me show you guys. So I always have bad lighting, like when I tell you guys, but you still can, with the vibrancy, the color is going to be there. It's there. So you'll know exactly what you're looking at. So you see the vibrancy of that. Looks like full detail. And it also has something to do with the actual image. Who designs it? So it's the resolution 300 DPI. That's going to make a big difference. But also, you see on the back of here, it looks gradient. And the reason why it looks gradient like this, because it's the color profile that I selected. Now, your white underbase, you probably can select yours to 3040, 3050, or whatever, 2050. That's going to give you this underbase that you're looking for. You have to do the proper adjustments to get it to where you like it, your fine tuning. So it'll be different from mine to yours, probably be similar. It all depends. You know, some people have different print environments, so printer will print different. But this is one of the reasons why our transfers don't come out so heavy, and they don't come out feeling like cardboard unless the customer prefers it. And some customers say, hey, I want a lot of white. I want that very vibrant pop. Or some customers say, hey, we just want you to print them out. And when that happens, they come out looking like this. So the color still going to be vibrant, but at the same time, it's going to have more white on the underbase to make it pop more harder when you actually put it on dark garments. So you probably want to lay this on dark garments, and then you probably want to lay this one on light color garments, but you still can get away with it on dark color garments as well, because it all depends on how much heat you're using as well too, because the dye migration, I use it at 300. Some people say, hey, he's wrong, but that's just what I do. And I have no problems with my transfers when I press them at 300 on the first and second press, 10 seconds or both times, or you can go 8 seconds, but I don't go over 10 seconds. So my images, the vibrancy, the touch, the feel of it, it's going to be different. So I'm not doing anything that's, different, or maybe I am, but at the same time, I just know some images, when you don't have a full white, they feel softer to touch. No full white, So what's the difference? Gradient or full white, or a light opaque white, or not opaque, but a lighter white versus a heavier, stronger white. So, some neutral colors, or however positive colors, it all depends on what selection you're using for the white layer to be laid, or the foundation to be laid on top of the color. So that is something that you got to play around with the printer, and try to press, touch it, see how it looks, see is any color starting to get like any dye migration? Does it still have that original pop that you're looking for, that original vivid, and looking like it's been, like the colors just not looking like they're solid? So that can be something for you to test out and see what trying to error. But anyways, I'm gonna cut the video short. If you guys like the information, hit me with a thumbs up. If you found the information valuable, you like it, subscribe to the channel. If you are subscribed, cut your notification bells on to all. And for the ones who do subscribe, cut your notification bells on to all. So when I do drop new content, you guys be the first ones to know that it's coming out. If you guys have any questions, transfer wise, need someone to manufacture your t-shirts for you guys, or if you have a clothing brand, you say, hey, I want track suits for the top, track suits for the bottom, or I have my own track suit, I need somebody to manufacture, put the logos on it and placements and whatnot, we got you covered. FOMDTF.com. Until then, I'm out. Peace.